Hi, I'm Jessica, and this is a Jarful local refillery. The Jarful local refillery carries eco-friendly, locally sourced, and ethically made personal hygiene and household cleaning products. One of our main focuses was to help reduce the additional waste and plastics associated with many items. We are proud to offer over 50 bulk refillable products, from hand and laundry soaps to cleaners, as well as shampoos and lotions. Now, you only pay for what you actually need, saving hundreds of plastic bottles from filling our landfills and waterways. But our mission does not stop there. With the help of great partners like One Tree Planted, many of our products directly impact the environment. For example, with the purchase of any routine product, one tree is planted right here in Ontario. We were truly impressed by the hidden charm of our location and wanted to restore it to a more modern general store where customers can feel welcome and start their eco-friendly journey. From the warehouse windows to the board and batten, we wanted to show how beautiful downtown Woodstock could be once again. We are located at 9 Light Street, and we'd love to see you. I'm Jessica, and this is Jarful Local Refillery.